Dubai, known for its arid climate, found itself battling an unprecedented challenge as torrential rains wreaked havoc in the city and the wider UAE. What began as a drizzle quickly escalated into chaos, leaving residents off guard with streets resembling rivers. Images on social media show cars submerged, with commuters wading through knee-deep water in a bid to reach their destinations. Shopping malls, usually bustling with activity, were not spared from the deluge. At the Dubai International Airport, the situation was no less dire, with numerous flights delayed or cancelled, leaving several passengers stranded.
We are uncertain about what's in the near future, whether we will be able to go home, whether we will be able to provide have some rest. I don't know. People are just lying around in the airport. There is not enough seats and chairs to let them sit. Even they are sitting on the floors.
As the city grapples with the aftermath of the deluge, authorities have urged residents to exercise caution and stay indoors.